Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service and Product Review Thursday. And what are we here to talk about today? We're here to talk about custom dynamics, specifically the LED light filler strip. If you have an ultra classic like this, something that has the big hole right here, the big gap right there where there's nothing, then you need those light filler strips. You know why? Because when you take off this tour pack and you buy that kit that Harley sells you, and it has that stupid little light that goes right here, and it looks ugly. It looks ugly. Now, ain't nobody got time for that. Don't do that crap. Don't put that stupid sticky light right here. Get these. Put the fill strips in. They rock. Because you take that tour pack off and you can't tell during the daytime, but at nighttime, those lights are bright as heck. I've been running these lights for a year. Let's talk about them. All right, Yogi Clan. I've been running these lights for a year. 12 months now. And they still look good as new. So when you get them, they're two LED fill strips with one wire that goes up to the front, that goes up to your wiring harness under your seat, right on top of the battery. There are 4 wires to connect. 4. 2 from each side. These, the way they're attached, first what you do is you clean off around your frame here where the light sits inside this panel. You clean off with some rubbing alcohol. There's some double-sided tape in the back of this. You peel the double-sided tape off. Well, at first I would dry fit it to make sure you got the right light on the right side. You stick it in the hole, you squish it on, you hold it for about 30 seconds, and it's stuck. And then you run your wire, you zip tie your wire to your fender strut right here, because they're on the Ultras, on the touring bikes, they have 2 little notch areas where you can run a zip tie to. Zip tie the wire there, run it up to your battery area, and you connect 4 wires. It's as simple as that. It is like, literally like when they say plug and play, it's plug and play. And as you can see, they work awesome. They are bright as heck. Let me go hit the brake for you. Let's turn off the 4-way flashers. Go ahead, hit the brake. That's what a brake looks like. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Again, your brake light, and back to your 4-ways. These lights kick butt, especially when you take the tour pack off. If you disconnect the tour pack lights, go ahead and do that. Okay, tour pack lights are disconnected. So you take your tour pack off and there's nothing without those LED filler strips to indicate any kind of turn signal. Now you're showing turn signals. So you can pretend that this tour pack's off. Now you see you've got turn signals. Let's take a minute and look at the wiring. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the seat. You can see right here in this wiring harness, these 4 red posts. Let me move the camera. 4 red posts, 1 to the blue wire, 1 to the purple wire, 1 to the gray wire, and 1 to the brown wire. Easy connections. Done. So Yogi Clan, I'm sorry that this product review is not a huge, large, long one, but it really doesn't need to be if it's a good product. And Custom Dynamics makes a good product. I love these LED light strips. They are a little expensive at $200, but you know what? At 12 months, they look just as good as the day they came out of the box. All the lights are working, all the lights are functioning, nothing's burnt out yet. I'd do it again. And I might explore other options, like maybe upgrading that, making that a smoked lens, changing that out, because these are the smoke color. Let me turn it off so you can see. There you go. Now you can see these are the smoked lens. I didn't want to get them the red lens because eventually I'm going to convert all these over to smoke. So I went ahead and got that as the smoke lens. And that way it kind of blends in with the fill strip also, with the back end. They kind of disappear, but when that bright lights come on, especially at night, those suckers are bright. So go ahead and get you a pair, put them on your bike. Custom Dynamics. I've had some conversation back and forth with them on Instagram. They seem like pretty cool people. It seems like their customer service is pretty good. So I'll probably be doing future business with them and recommending them to all of my customers. Take care, Yogi Clan. That's all I had. Remember to like, subscribe, share. We got more content coming. We have the first of the 2 ape hanger projects done. Episode 1 is going to be released today. Well, when you watch this video, it will have been released yesterday. And we're going to break that up into a couple different episodes. We had some camera struggles, some camera challenges. So if it isn't top-notch quality, my apologies. We're doing the best that we can and trying to figure out how best to bring you these wrenching videos. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we appreciate you watching and letting other people know about this channel. Thank you, Yogi Clan. Take care. Peace.